What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds, where we rebuild everything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times because this happened to us. Luck struck again, but later in the video we will tell you guys what happened. Even though everything started nicely and we thought everything would work out. Okay guys, so we got the new engine installed in the boat. Everything went nice and smoothly. I guess that's just the experience you build up with a boat.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon?
I think we have some sort of a curse on our boat. Or maybe it's ourselves that's cursed. But we are some very unlucky people with this boat. I'm laughing, but I'm actually wanting to cry very hard. Because we were driving the boat and noticed that it wasn't running fine. And we noticed that our head is completely cracked here. And there was water intrusion coming into the engine. Oh no, I see here it's also cracked here. So we got some bent valves and this head is completely toast. We did a compression test on the other side. The other side is still okay. But we will go back to the company where we bought the engine from and hopefully we can figure something out. Of course the engine is second hand, so we don't trust too much in warranty. So yeah, we will check what will happen. So we will remove the other side as well, get the heads off, take the engine out and go back to the company and check what they can do for us warranty wise. So this will be unfortunately the end of this video. See it more kind of an update. Hopefully we can get the engine running soon. It's midsummer and we really want to be out on the water, but with all the bad luck we need to keep our fingers crossed and hopefully that we got a solution to even be out on the water this year, and otherwise we will skip this project for next year. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you guys all in our next videos. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and also make sure that your post notifications are on as well so you don't miss out on any new videos.
Catch me howling now.